Network management includes configuring, monitoring, and managing network devices. These devices include switches, servers, computers, routers, and all other types of network devices. Network management can be performed using any of three methods: local management, in-band management, or out-of-band management. We'll look at each of these methods, and we'll start with local management. Local management is the easiest and simplest way to manage network equipment. Local management entails attaching a computer or terminal directly to the device that's being managed. Local management is the most common way to manage devices in small networks, but it requires the manager to physically move from one device to another to configure and monitor the equipment. The second method is in-band management. In-band management typically uses the SNMP protocol and allows remote management of all network equipment. A network manager at one workstation is now able to manage multiple devices without having to actually go to each device. Hundreds or thousands of devices can be managed this way, and the devices can be located anywhere in the world. In-band management is the most common way to manage large networks. It's normally accomplished through special network management applications. In-band management's biggest drawback, though, is that it requires the network to be operating to be able to manage the devices. This means that if the network fails, so does the ability to manage the network. You can't detect failures, nor can you correct any of the failures. The last management method is called out-of-band management. Now, this type of management is similar to in-band management, as it normally uses SNMP in a management application. However, out-of-band management uses a separate communication network to communicate with the switches. This way, a failure on the network does not affect the ability to manage the network and correct the problem. Networks that use out-of-band management are not common, as most network managers don't want to create a parallel network just for management purposes.